Hey my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video, I am going to show you how to install the Dlib library in Python. What is Dlib library? It is one of the most powerful and easy to go open source library consisting of machine learning libraries / algorithms and various tools for creating software. We are going to install it by first creating a Python project folder, then creating a virtual environment within it, and then within that virtual environment, we are going to finally install the Dlib library. So let's begin. So the first step will be to open the terminal, for which I'm going to press command space, then type terminal, and bang, the terminal is open. Now I'm going to create a Python project folder. I want to create it within my desktop. So using the cd command, first I'm going to get inside my desktop. Here using the mkdir command, I'm going to create a Python project folder. I'm going to name it dlib_install. Alright, you can see dlib_install folder has been created on my desktop. Now I'm going to get inside this dlib_install folder. Okay, I am inside the dlib_install folder. The next step will be to create a Python virtual environment. If you don't have Python installed on your machine, then you can install it by watching this video in the I button. You can check the version of Python installed on your machine by simply typing python 3 -- version. Alright, this command should give you the version of the Python installed. Otherwise, you can install it by watching this video in the I button. Now let's create a Python virtual environment. The command is very simple. It will be python 3 myenv, which stands for virtual environment space, the name of the virtual environment. So I'm going to name it dlib_venv. I hit enter. If the execution of this command doesn't throw any error, that means dlib_venv has been successfully created. Let's check it by typing the command ls-ltr. You can see dlib_venv has been created. The next step is to turn this virtual environment active. The command is simple. It will be dot space dlib_venv /bin/activate. I hit enter, and there you go, the environment is active. Now before we begin installing Dlib library, we need to install cmake. What is cmake? It's a cross-platform, free and open source software tool for managing the build process of software using a compiler independent method. So Dlib installation is heavily dependent on cmake. So let's first install cmake. The command will be pip install cmake. I hit enter. The installation has begun. And there you go. It says successfully installed cmake 3.25.2. Now there is a common issue that the developers face. It's this label which says using legacy setup.py install for dlib, since package wheel is not installed and it takes forever to install dlib. To avoid this problem, we'll have to first install the wheel package. Now wheel is a type of built distribution. Wheels cut setup.py execution out of the equation. Installing from a source distribution runs whatever is contained in that project setup.py. So this amounts to arbitrary code execution. Using wheels avoids this altogether. So let's install wheels first. Let me clear this up a bit, and we are going to write pip install wheel. I hit enter, and the installation began and ended in a flash with this label, very pleasing to the eyes: successfully installed wheel 0.38.4. Let's check if it's available in the list of packages. It does, along with cmake. And now we are ready to install the dlib library. So the command will be pip install dlib. Alright, the installation has begun. So after a significant amount of time, dlib library has been successfully installed in this virtual environment dlib_venv. Let's check if it appears in the list of packages installed for this virtual environment. So I'm going to run the command pip list, and there you go, dlib appears. The version is 19.24.0. Now let's check programmatically if it's ready for use. For that, I'm going to get inside the Python prompt using the command python 3. Here I'm going to import dlib. If it doesn't throw any error, that means dlib indeed has been successfully installed. I hit enter and there you go, no error. Now I am going to print its version. So the command will be dlib dot double underscore version double underscore. It should print its version 19.24.0 from here. And there you go. This is an evidence that dlib library is ready for use. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install the dlib library in Python from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video of Joey's Tech. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.